Oh, that's different. Please hold. 1 second. Alrighty, well, I guess I begin. Hello everyone, my name is Kate and I'm so excited about what this channel will be offering for all of you. For those of you who have watched me in the years past, third time's a charm. If you are just now learning about me, I married my husband Ryan on April 9th of this year. We were actually supposed to get married on May 2nd, but because of you know what, it starts with a C and ends in vid. We weren't able to have our whole wedding celebration the way that we wanted to, but we are planning on having it at a later date as soon as this all lifts and goes away. I have been doing wedding photography full-time for 4 years now, but I was doing it part-time about 3 or so years prior to that. I can't remember when I didn't have a camera in my hand. I'm pretty sure I grew up knowing just instinctively that I needed to take photos. And even though I actually genuinely never thought this would become my job, I am so grateful and so thankful that it has. And I have learned so much from my own mistakes and my own victories over the past few years, as well as getting wisdom and guidance from those who have been in this industry for a longer period of time. In case you're wondering, I'm 24 years old. I started my full-time business when I was 21. And that is really the heart behind why I'm doing this, why I'm doing YouTube, why I'm making these videos. What I'm hoping to accomplish with this channel is actually very specific. My heart is really for those who are just starting out, and specifically for those who are younger and just starting out. People who are in my shoes and maybe who are even younger who want to start a business. Because it can be intimidating, it can be embarrassing, it can be really, really hard as a young person to want to start a business and to know what to do. I know I was very overwhelmed when I first started. I knew I wanted to do it, but I didn't really know what steps to take. Of course, anyone can learn from anyone. It doesn't matter how many years you've been in a job, you can obviously learn from someone else because they have a different perspective. So the advice and tips that I offer in these videos is from my own experience, but it's also from the guidance and wisdom from those who have mentored me over these last 4 years and who are still mentoring me now. So the purpose of this channel is 3 main things: photography basics, starting your business or your photography business, and social media marketing. I will be sharing various tips when it comes to photography itself, but I will also be sharing tips when it comes to starting a business and entrepreneurship. A lot of those tips might deal pretty closely to photography just because, again, that's the road that I'm on. But the principles behind those still apply to any business that you choose, even if it's not photography. Even though I didn't go to college for marketing, and when I was in college it was actually for speech therapy, I have learned so much over the last few years, especially the last 4 because I've been full-time, about social media, what works, what doesn't work, about ads, about Pinterest, so many of the platforms that we use for photography and for business in general. My goal is to post at least once, but hopefully twice a week. This first couple weeks there might be a little bit more just because I'm going to be uploading videos that will allow you to learn more about me, as well as I'm going to upload a few precursor videos or prerequisite videos to the main channel to just kind of give a foundation as to what to expect, and that way you'll know if you want to dive in on this journey with me as well. If this sounds like something you're ready to dive into, then welcome to my channel. I can't wait to help you, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. I will do a longer getting to know me video in a later video, but for now I just wanted to say hello. I wanted to welcome you to my channel, and I wanted you to get hyped for what's to come because I cannot wait to share this with you. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below if you love this video or if you have any questions, and be sure to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I upload every video. Let's go! I am so excited.